Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little different video for you. It's kind of an unboxing video. If you follow the channel for any length of time, you know I have done some unboxing videos and stuff like that, kind of tongue-in-cheek, but this is something that I've needed for a while. And another thing too is if you follow the channel, I don't like spending money on myself. Anybody else, you know, projects and tractors and stuff like that, you know, I'll spend my last dime. When it comes to me myself, you know, personally, I feel bad about spending it on myself. So but today I've spent the money on myself, so hope you all enjoy it, and let's get showing you what we got. Alright y'all, here's what we got. I went out and bought the Hercules 4-mode 20-volt lithium ion brushless impactor, 1/4-inch impact. Says on the box here it's got self-tapping screw mode, bolt removal mode. This is the kit. It comes with a 2 amp-hour battery and the multi-volt fast charger. 20% more compact, 50% faster at driving speeds, up to 40% more power. It does have a 5-year power tool warranty, 3-year on the battery, and like I said, this is the 20-volt. The kit number is HCB81K1. I looked this up for just the tool only, and they don't offer a 2 amp-hour battery, but they do offer a 2.5 amp-hour battery and a charger. Well over $100 on that. This was $97 for this whole kit. So, and it is the same exact impactor as the one that comes with just the bare tool. So let's see if we can get this box open, and we'll show you all what's inside here. So I did cut the tape on the Alright, there's the packaging that comes with it. Our little instruction manual. We'll read that later. Yeah, right. So, we got the 2 amp-hour battery here. So, it's got nice little rubber bumpers around the outside bottom edge of it there. That's nice. Now, if you guys know, I do have a Chicago Electric one that I bought from Harbor Freight years ago. It still works alright. It's just the batteries are going bad. And so, let's see here. We've got 3. Oh, that's mode 3. We got 2 on the battery. So, we'll have to read the instructions. And 1 is slow, 2 is medium, 3 is like high, and 4 is automatic, I guess. Sounds good. And it's got a little belt clip thingy here, which we probably won't be using, and a bit holder that's in that bag. We'll probably attach that. So get this charger out of here. Yeah. Hercules 20-volt, 12-volt. So it's the multi-charger. Just has the different charging modes. What happens, you know, where it's at in the charger. So, all right. You know, I think this is going to be a really nice addition to the garage. It's got some wickedly bright LEDs, which my Chicago Electric doesn't have. Feels good in the hand with that 2 amp-hour battery on there. It's compact. I like that part. You know, it's not very long that way. So, yeah, this is the brushless motor. So I did a lot of research on this thing. Watched lots and lots of reviews, and the main one that got me was the Tool Torque channel. I think it's what it's called. I'll put a link in the description. But this thing ranked right up there with the Milwaukees. So that's what kind of was the deciding point. I was looking at the Bauer. I've always been a DeWalt guy. That's what my battery platform is now. I've got all kinds of different older DeWalt stuff, 18 volts. And I was looking at their impactor, and I just could not pull the trigger on the price tag on it. I seen this, the tool only, was pricing the batteries. That was, you know, kind of making me hesitate. Did a little snooping around the Harbor Freight website, and lo and behold, I come up with the kit number. They don't put it out, or they weren't putting it out. It is out now. They are advertising it now, but when I first found it, it was not being advertised. So I made the decision after watching that tool review on the Torque channel there, and yeah, this is gonna be nice. I did buy the adapters for the 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch sockets to go in there, and this thing's gonna be awesome. I'll probably do a review on it after I use it some, but I just wanted to let you guys know and show you, you know, I did finally spend some money on myself. So that's what we got. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I never really like doing the tool reveal or unboxing, stuff like that. Videos, it always makes me feel like I'm, oh, look at me, look what I bought, you know. This is definitely not that kind of video. I just want to inform you guys that, you know, I did the research for you. We'll see how longevity works out on this. Hopefully it lasts a long time, but if you are in the market for a 1/4 inch impact driver, I suggest for $100 you look at this one. You can buy the battery on a 2.5 amp hour battery for these. Well, for the whole Hercules line, but I don't remember what the price of the battery is right off the bat, but it's not very much money for what you get. So I really appreciate y'all watching. Please, if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, and go down and hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, get notifications of everything we do in the garage, at the tractor pulls, in the kitchen when I do the cooking videos, at the grill, wherever we happen to be making videos. Appreciate y'all, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Thanks.